Here are 5 of my all-time favorite brain hacks. Number 1, convergence exercises. These simple exercises involve bringing your eyes together to focus on a single point, and they can be incredibly effective in improving binocular vision and coordination between the left and right brain. So by doing these exercises regularly, you can actually strengthen the connections between your two hemispheres, which can lead to improved cognitive functioning across the board. Another eye exercise that I swear by are lateral eye movements. According to some studies, making horizontal eye movements can actually help with certain cognitive tasks and may also help suppress feelings of stress and fear. So if you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious, try moving your eyes from side to side for a few minutes and see if it doesn't help calm your nerves. Now, if you're looking for a quick and easy way to boost your mood and alertness and focus, try doing some vertical eye movements. These upwards and downwards motions have been shown to activate the midbrain and increase dopamine levels, which can help improve your overall mental state and keep you feeling sharp and focused throughout the day. Now, for those who want to improve their reaction time, visual attention, saccades are the way to go. These quick and jerky eye movements can help you train your brain to improve visual information more quickly and accurately, leading to improved cognitive performance and a variety of different tasks. If you're looking to improve your coordination and balance, as well as your overall stability, try incorporating some vestibulo-ocular reflex, VOR, exercises into your practice. These exercises involve moving your head and eyes in different directions and can be especially helpful for those who suffer from balance problems or vertigo. All in all, these 5 brain hacks are some of the most effective techniques that I've found for optimizing my mental functioning and improving my overall cognitive performance. So if you're looking to get the most out of your brain, give them a try and see what kind of results you can achieve.